kinetic sand! For this experiment, of course, you're gonna need sand, but extra fine sand. But we're just gonna use 2 cups of extra fine sand. We're gonna need a ½ cup of cornstarch. Actually, 1 cup of cornstarch, but we're gonna use half for now, and then we'll put the other half later. A ½ cup of water, 2 tablespoons of dish soap, and food coloring.
Guys, first we're gonna put our water to the side because we don't need it right now. And you see all these ingredients right here? We're gonna put it inside the sand. So first we're gonna pour our cornstarch in. Got it? Then we're gonna put in our soap. Got it? And now we're gonna put in our food coloring. And the fun part, we're gonna mix it with our hands.
So let's mix it.
So fun. Feels so weird. Mine's becoming pink, yours is becoming green. Feels so weird, guys.
It's fun.
Ow. It's stuck to my hand.
This is cool. Now this is so cool. Gotta keep mixing.
It was all stuck to my hand and I'm
Gotta keep
itching.
mixing. Now we're gonna put in our water.
Yep.
Let's grab it. Ready?
Set, go. Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna mix it with our hands again. Oh, mine's a cool color.
It feels so weird. And it looks
It feels
ugly.
like sand from the beach. Wet sand from the beach.
Ew.
This is so cool. My color is so good. It looks like grass.
It looks, oh yeah, mine looks like,
Wow.
I don't know what mine looks like though. See, all this looks like mud to me.
Yeah, it looks like mud. This is so cool. I wonder how it's gonna get like kinetic.
A drip. Ew. Ew.
Ew, this is nasty.
Look at this. All drippy. All drippy. All drippy. All drippy, drippy, drippy.
Guys, now we have our other half of cornstarch, other half cup of cornstarch, and we're gonna pour it in, and then we're gonna mix it. And after that, we're gonna leave it there for about 3 hours. So let's pour.
Oh, that's so funny. I'm felling.
Okay, mix. Oh, that feels good. Ooh.
Oh, this feels better.
That feels nice.
Nice.
It feels like honey.
Yeah. Mine is a beautiful color, but not right now. It was when I put the water. Ew. It feels like how we did the oobleck. Like it sticks onto my hands. Like that. Look guys, it's getting all
Whoa.
splashy and not splashy, but so it's not liquidy. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. When you see, look, when I put my hand down, it's so hard for me to put up. Look, when I put my hand up, the thing moves. Keep on getting it.
Whoa. Because look, I can carry my hand.
Oh, I can carry mine.
I can carry it.
Look at my hand. Carry mine.
I can carry anything.
I look like I have gloves right now.
Yeah, it looks like I have gloves. Look at this.
You just look like slime. It's like slimy.
Oops.
This is a pink monster coming to town.
Oh, this is so cool. Guys, it's been a few hours now, and we're back to play with the kinetic sand. It looks so cool. Let's play with it.
And we have some shapes.
Like to mold.
So
Okay, let's get some. Oh, it's so good.
grab it.
Put some right here.
Guys,
Mold.
there's my mold. This is so cool.
Guys, look at my stars. I'm gonna try the unicorn.
Okay, let's try the like gingerbread. I'm going with gingerbread.
Okay.
So, spread needs a lot. Okay, come on out. And
Can I have my unicorn so I can bring it out? I like it sound.
oh man, dang it. I'm gonna try this one.
Guys, we have 3 made already, and we're gonna try to cut it. So I'm gonna get the star and try to cut it.
I'm gonna get.
Oh wait, move this one
I
out.
broke this one. I'm cutting mine in half.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I'm making it into weird pieces, but okay. This is so weird.
Ah. Guys, this is so satisfying. Whoa.
They're so satisfying.
Hope you enjoyed this video. This was our first try at making kinetic sand. So it wasn't really that good, but it was so fun. It was actually not that bad for our first time. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe with the notification bell to know whenever we post a new video.
Bye.